Corporate turnaround. You've heard the term, but what does it really mean? Many businesses in need of a corporate turnaround are facing growing distress, reductions in sales, cash flow problems, and other mounting debt. On the other hand, many are dealing with the challenges and threats of rapid growth, while also navigating the terrain of finding appropriate means of capital formation. Over the past 10 years, Second Wind has been a partner in the successful turnaround and reinvention of thousands of client businesses. Regardless of the challenges being faced, virtually any business can be turned around when best practices are instituted and committed to, and when operations are divorced from emotional biases that do not benefit the business in the long run.
In fact, we can usually force profitability immediately through the application of business fundamentals while setting the stage for longer-term strategic initiatives. If unsupportable debt is part of a client's equation, then debt elimination is our first step in a successful turnaround. Many consultancies offer turnaround services, but only Second Wind can eliminate unsupportable debt, divorcing it from the value of business operations.
To achieve this end, Second Wind adapted and perfected the application of reorganizational principles once reserved for Fortune 100 level corporations. Through reorganization, we eliminate debt while preserving the value of the ongoing concern in a way no other option can. Our approach saves businesses, jobs, and economic activity that would otherwise be destroyed.
Second Wind's application of reorganizational fundamentals offers owners and secured creditors alike a better result and a more ethical solution to unsupportable debt. The principle is simple. When we preserve business value rather than allowing it to be destroyed through forced liquidation, all parties benefit.
Whether or not there is a debt component to be addressed, every corporate turnaround must fundamentally involve stripping away those factors which have locked away the business's true value, obscured its growth trajectory, created either distress or stagnation, or exposed the business to the threats of change and disruption, particularly when these might otherwise afford opportunity.
A holistic approach to corporate turnaround will put clients in a position to focus on the business's core value add and leverage its competitive advantage in new ways, using advanced analytics and operations modeling that define an actionable roadmap for reinvention and scaling.
At Second Wind, our philosophy is that turnaround consulting matters to every size business and must be accessible to every size business. That's why we do not charge hourly fees. Instead, we invest in our clients' success by structuring our fees as a percentage of the increase in profits we create together.